got tired of publishing the same article to 4 different platforms manually. So I built my own publishing platform in one day. And it has an MCP server, so AI agents can publish too. Let me show you. Here's what my workflow looked like before. I write an article, I post it to my blog, then I copy it to Dev2, then Hashnet. Then I write shorter versions for Blue Sky. Then I make a tweet about it. That's 5 manual steps for one piece of content. I'm an automation engineer. This is embarrassing. Let me show you today how you can use the command line or an MCP server with your agent to easily handle your content distribution. All right, guys, so this is the front end. This is the view it, read it on the web piece. I built this front end. Obviously, we call it PasIT, publish and share it right from your terminal, read on the web, API first, publishing for builders who ship. So you can see these are the articles that people can come here and read. These are all mine right now, but hopefully as we get the word out there, other people will be posting and that distribution will happen and help for other people. We got tags. We can search the different articles, and then a little bit about how this all works and the features we have and how to get started. So you're just going to go to the API docs here and you're just going to run this basic curl command, and you should be able to just fill in your username, your name, and your email address. From the command line, a simple API call like this will register you the account, and then you can just post your content. You get your key back. You get the key once, so save it right off the rip when you get that. And if you need to, revoke a key or delete the key or whatever, that's how the API works. And then we'll just want to post an article, and you'll be able to just follow the API here, which we'll get into here in a second. I'm just showing you that the documentation exists. And here is an example of how we could just do a curl command and post an article straight to the site, and then it will be aggregated out. All right, guys, we are back here in the terminal, and like I said, we're just going to paste in this curl command to try to register a new account. And as you see, we created this user and we have this API key here. So we only get this one time. So I'm just going to mark it down for a second and put it in this other command that we're going to use. Sorry about that. So we're back here and we're going to try to post this article with that key in here. We're going to set a title. We're going to do a markdown. We're going to add some tags, some descriptions, and we're going to try to publish it. And now we should have this on the website, as we just got a response back saying that we did this. So stand by. All right, guys, we are here at the web page, and we can see that we got this demo user and we created this article here, and we can click that. And as you can see, we posted that about 1 minute ago. You write something great, you spend 20 minutes formatting it for dev.2, copy it to Hashnode, ready to tweet. We fixed that. We posted across the whole spectrum with just that one API call. So I hope you guys find that useful, as I do, and that you want to start using PasIT.com because it's free, doesn't cost you anything, and you can just even have your agent automatically use the MCP server that I have over at my GitHub. The links are down below. Check that out. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. If we can make it better, let's do that. I hope you guys all start using it. I'll talk to you soon.